Howdy there, folks. It's the Collector 6819 coming back at you with a hobby box break of Topps Finest 2013 football. In here there are two mini boxes. I'm going to break this up into two parts. So this is going to be part one of our two-part break of Topps Finest football. So, part one, part two, there we go. Now, in each box it says that you're guaranteed one on-card auto, or one jumbo auto relic and one auto pack. So, and I'm going to apologize right now if I mispronounce any of these players' names. I apologize. We've got Benjarvis Green-Ellis, Alfred Morris, Giovanni Bernard, that's a rookie, Tyler Wilson, rookie, and Andy Dalton. We got a Jake Walker, a Christine Michael rookie, Terrence Williams rookie, and Eli Manning Hakeem Nicks. We have a regular Drew Brees, a Joseph Randall. This is a gold, number 75, it's 75, it's white. We have a Robert and we have a Robert Gronkowski, who is said that the Sunday of the week for the league for the Jonathan. And so we have a Ryan Tannehill, a Michael Vick, a Michael Ezekiel rookie, Mike Glenn rookie, Mike Glenn, a J.J. Watt, and a J.J. Watt. Two packs left in this first part. Okay. We have a Jamal Charles, Darren McFadden, a Jordan Reed rookie, a Jake Walker refractor, and a Kyle Rudolph, And this one has to have our hits, and this one has to have our hits. Okay. We have the Maris Thomas. We have a Gavin Escobar rookie. A Denard Robinson rookie. The back here, which is San Antonio Holmes. And our big hit, the 49ers, the Marcus Lattimore. Autographed patch card. Let's see. Not numbered. So that's pretty cool. So our hit again was Marcus Lattimore. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time. Part 2 should be coming up here shortly. Thanks.